Hi, my name is Anh Nguyen, and today I will present about my case study analysis.
The case study is about the two Americans representing the Adventure Company, a manufacturer of 3D printing equipment. They went to Guangzhou City in the province of Guangdong in China to negotiate a sale to a startup in 3D product company. However, the American failed to make the deal.
So what happened? What is the reason behind their failure? In my opinion, there are multiple problems during the negotiating process. The first problem is the first impression. Due the first impression. So due to the long journey, Adventure top people decided to wear short and t-shirts. The manager of the Chinese company, Mr. Chen, was surprised by their casual attire when meeting them at the airport in Guangzhou. This can be due to the cultural difference between the two countries. The Chinese want to treat every business meeting in a formal manner, while the Americans think of the first counter just a normal meeting. So they don't want to so dress up, so they're all comfortable. And because of this, the Chinese first impression of the American is already not really good. The second problem is a translator. So David and his team were also not confident about the translate message between them and the Chinese team. So already here there's a problem between the communication. They cannot fully understand with each other, even though it's just a first meeting and they did not go into the detail about the products or anything. But because of the miscommunication like this is like the both side of the company may not know fully about each other, and if they cannot fully understand each other, it's like a language barrier, and they cannot fully express what they want to express. Third problem is the American team did not know who their negotiating counterpart really were. When the American team at last were able to make the presentation they had prepared, they were surprised at the number of people who showed up. 10 Chinese faced them across the table, and the next day when they were asked to explain once again things they thought had been covered already to a Chinese team with four new faces on it, they were confused about who their negotiating counterpart really were. So the American team basically come to the presentation without any knowledge about the people from the Chinese company. They did not know, they failed to understand the Chinese team role and who owned the decision, and this can be very costly. The fourth problem is a lack of preparation. They just came without prepare any like backup people. They did not tell the chef of the technology office that, oh, we're gonna do the presentation at this time, and it's because of the time difference. You should like prepare and like make sure to stay up during that time, and they did not do any of that. Okay. The fifth problem is a lack of knowledge about cultural difference. One of the problem here is Chinese is a culture that like they want to build trust before they actually make a decision, and this is what American team lack of. They did not set to build trust from the Chinese, and they just like very quickly want to get to the final decision. So what is my suggestion for the American team? First, they should come with preparation. For the first impression, they should like, I know it's a long journey and they can wear casual outfit, but like before the landing, they should change it to business attire. They should treat this first meeting in a formal way. It's very easy. Second, they should have actually um, bring or like hire some translator that is actually can fully translate everything they say and not depend on the Chinese people. Also, they should actually ask the chef office of technology department about the meeting in advance because they actually need the information from him And they also need to do a proper research about the Chinese culture. Um, in my opinion, I think they did not come without any knowledge about the Chinese culture. They become very surprised when the laws of Chinese just answer the phone and not leave the room. Or like they even surprised that even though they are not listening, they still say yes, everything like that. They did not know the cultural difference, and it gave them a very frustrated feeling, and it can affect the way they present their presentation. Do not know that it's very important for the Chinese to build trust before they make a final decision, and this caused the American team very huge, very big problem, uh, because the whole process is just the American team just want to make the presentation as quickly as possible instead of like actually building trust, bonding with the people from the Chinese team, and as a result, they fail to make the deal. So overall, I think it's just a huge problem here. It's just the American team is very lack in preparation. They just came without any like anything. Even the presentation, they only come with the mindset, oh, I'm gonna do the presentation, and that's it. And they did not think about any other factor that can affect the deal instead of like the presentation. So if they come with much more preparation, they should have made the deal. But unfortunately, they did not do that. So thank you for